Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Murray Crab Fishing. Episode 8 of the Western Australia series, I'm pretty sure it is. We've left the Exmouth Gulf and we're travelling down the Western Australia coast. We are at Kalbarri and another place which we're not too sure. Episode 7 we do some fishing in the mangroves. So this episode we are hanging around Kalbarri a little bit. There's a little bit of touristy stuff. We get some epic sunrise, sunset shots and explore some rock pools. We see crayfish and octopus and all sorts of stuff, so that's all in this episode. And then we travel down to Perth, and on the way we stop past the Western Australia pink lakes. Lakes that are salt water, super salt water, and there's a bacteria in there that reacts with chemicals and the salt and makes them pink. So there's no colour grading on this, it's not Photoshop or whatever you think. They're actually pink. The lakes are pink. So we stop and look at them, put the drone up, have a bit of a fly around there, and then we head down to Perth and go fishing with Dom from Dom's Fishing Adventures, and we get into the Taylor. So let's jump into the B-roll sequence and then we'll see you in Western Australia. Welcome back to another episode. Pretty much all you're going to hear for this whole episode. We're doing some touristy stuff while we're on the west coast. We're not going to be here again. We're at Mushroom Rock. We came down to park, but there wasn't mushroom. I don't know why it's called that. It doesn't really look like a mushroom. So I'm going to have to lick it and see if it's because it tastes like a mushroom maybe. Just drove around to the mini golf, putt golf, to have a look, and it's completely closed down, got completely trashed in the cyclone, and it's a mess. So you can sort of see there's still tarps on roofs. Like places just got destroyed. It's a bit sad. Obviously the entertainment, it's a mini golf and kids playground, trampoline, outdoor sandpit centre. It obviously got fully wrecked and hasn't been able to be reopened. So that's yeah, that's the way it is. But it's a little bit sad for the community. There's like a heap of places that just haven't been repaired that 4 months ago or 5 months ago haven't even started. So either not enough contractors or no money. Yeah, oh, we'll keep exploring. The wind has died pretty much right off, the slight breeze. So we've just come down, gonna have a flick along here. I don't like our chances, to be honest, but what a cool looking little area. Might see some cool stuff in the rock pools, we might catch a fish, who knows. Oh, what a cool rock pool. How cool. Oh, little fish in here. How cool. How good is that? Pretty sizable wakes over here. What do we got? Whoa, 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 whoa. Holy moly. Look at this. Man, this is almost as fun as going fishing. Almost. Oh, wowzers. There's an octopus! Octopus! I found an octopus! He's running away! He's hiding! I'm not gonna hurt you, buddy. Look at that guy. Look at that guy. Oh, hey buddy. He's trying to scare me away. Changing colours and stuff. Oh, Tegan's missed him.
Okay.
If you come over, you'll still kind of see him. He doesn't feel threatened anymore. He's coming right out. See him? Come over to here where my rod tip is. Look!
That's so cool! Wow! It's creepy looking.
He's a champ. He keeps changing colours to try and hide. What a champion!
That's awesome.
Hey mate! Going past this salt lake that's like separated from the ocean, and the minerals have made it like pink and purple and stuff. Oh, it's getting further away from us now. And water. Damn it. Should have filmed it back there. If we see more, I'll show you. We decided it looked too good, so we're going to put the drone up and see if we can have a look from above. Episode, we're clearly on a boat, and that is Perth over there. So you've probably figured it out if you watch a lot of the Australian YouTubers that I'm with Dom from Dom's Fishing Adventures.
How we doing all? Dinger, good to meet you, mate. Glad to have you on board. I saw you at the boat ramp. I said, you better jump on board, mate.
Yeah.
You're a bit lonely out there.
It wasn't organised. I just knew that he fished this. I've been standing at the boat ramp for 6 days waiting for someone to take me out. So we're going to head out on Dom's local. He's going to show us some spots. It's a little bit rough out the front. We would have probably preferred to go out and chase whiting and squid, but it's just not the right conditions. It's only just stopped raining about, what, 20 minutes ago or something. So we're going to head out here, see if we can find some tailor or some brim or whatever else is about, and hopefully catch some fine specimens. Isn't that right, Dom?
That's it.
I've got the Jubar Smart Squid on. We'll put that out and see how that goes. And that way, Dom's got 2 rods out. I've got this one out and we're running 3 different lures. Oh, I just took the popper off. Oh, I just got a hit. That wasn't weed. Yep. Oh, come on, grab it. Yep, got him. Nah, missed him and went straight into the weed, I reckon.
No, you're on.
Nah, it's weed. No kicking now. That was bump.
No, you're on.
Oh no, he's on. There we go. He's just not fighting. The Juba smart squid. There you go.
That's a good swallow.
Yeah, righto. I'll just stun him, mate. Put me. I'll put me thumb straight in his guy body, I reckon. Always remember not to thumb these fellas. What are we going? Oh, about 36.
Yeah, that's a good size, mate. Well done.
My first fish just stopped trolling and started to wind in, and a couple of taps and bang roll, and Dom's on. So get out there. I'm going to let this one go, get the lure back out there. Oh, really? That's a fish. But she's got some head shakes. I don't know what that is. Is it a tailor? Yeah. Oh, it's gone. It's gone. No, it's on. It's on. She just swam towards us.
What's a good one there?
Just swam towards us. Yeah. There's a tailor. There we go. We'll get the net. Go hard. Oh, you little bastard. Let him do his thing for a second. Oh, God. He's got a bit of aerial. There we go, we got him. Do you want to chuck him in with yours? Dom's going to take a couple home.
Yeah.
So he won't let go of the net.
Look at that. Talk about catch and cook. He's like catch and catch.
So
Where's your mark? Just to make sure, over here in WA they're 30 centimetres.
34, 30.
That's 35, so he's definitely legal.
Alright, he's gone in the esky. Dom's going to do a bit of a cook up. You'll film the cook up for the video?
Yeah, I'm thinking of doing smoking them.
All smoking them. So make sure you go check out his videos and have smoked Taylor. So nothing wrong with that. Not where it happened. Oh yep. Nah. Yep. Something kicking. Yeah. You got the wrong lure on, mate. There's a bit of silver there. Here he comes. Yeah. No weed, just him. He's nailed that. That's a full mouth hook. Try and get him a bit closer here. Yeah, he's having a bit of hook. You're going to get him in there like that? Yeah. Well done, it's legal. 32. Bush tucker man's going to take his... Fish tucker man. He's going to take that tailor as well, 32. So, yeah, good bit of fun. We're just out here talking crap and fishing away and we're really just trolling. We're just trolling around finding fish, but we're spending most of our time just talking rubbish. So, yeah, having a good time. Hopefully we can catch a couple more. It's getting a little bit rough. Yeah. That's a fish. That's a fish. That's kicking. Nice hook. Yeah. He's not legal, I don't reckon. Put him up there. He's too small.
from one of the toilet, it actually got vomited. And the reason I vomit is I got this hook in their mouth, and I think that if I vomit, it would actually get released. He got the wrong idea, but anyway, this is what he threw up, and that's a trumpeter, baby trumpeter. You can see the tooth marks on there.
Just bait fishing and stuff, or
What?
people just bait fishing and stuff, or
Yeah, like
yep.
oh man,
tiny little fella. I reckon that's almost the same size as the one that followed me a minute ago. Alright, back at the ramp. It's a beautiful bit of weather, as you can see. Look at this, just a little bit of rain, making me feel very at home. It's very Victorian. It's cold and wet, but we got a few fish. Dom's going to take them and smoke them, so go check that out. I'll link it below, and his channel and stuff. And I'm interested to see what he does with them, but also I won't be able to taste them, because by the time that happens I'll be on my way from here, so we're going to the next spot. So don't forget to subscribe to us as well, so you don't miss the next episode. Hopefully you're enjoying so far. Don't forget to fish every opportunity, and we'll catch you in the next one.